Hey guys, Matt here. In this video, we're going to go over my weekly portfolio update for my Grow My Portfolio 2020 challenge. And then we're going to talk about a little problem I have. I got a little problem. Okay, let's get started. Bank of America, we are down 3.18%. Cloudera, we are up 85.73%. We're going to come back to that later. Cisco, we are up 1.32%. Facebook, we are up 28.64%. Realty, we are up 20.99%. Pfizer, we are down 3.53%. Qualcomm, we are up 12.57%. Revolve, we are up 8.21%. Sony, we are down 0.13%. AT&T, we are down 3.05%. Tapestry, our newest addition, we are down 7.51%. Excellent start there. And Uber, we are up 11.59%. That gives me a total equity of $14,833.11. Yeah, this week we definitely took a hit, especially today. We got some coronavirus news about things are getting worse, and I guess a few states started implementing some new procedures, and the market didn't like that. I think the market is down 710 points as of the close of the bell. I'm recording this on Wednesday, June the 24th. You'll be seeing this on Friday. So yeah, not a great day for the market, but you know what? I'm pretty happy we're actually having some down days, so that means some deals are going to pop up. All right, let's get on to my problem. So, a few months ago, I made a video about Cloudera, which you can find here, where I break the company down and I talk about why I'm so bullish about them. I'm not going to go into every detail of the company here, but the gist of it is that Cloudera is a big data company that's up and coming. It takes data from other companies and does stuff with it. Does analyzing data, it notices trends, it picks up on pattern, so on. It's pretty much how the internet knows what kind of ads to show you. Sad but true, big data is here to stay. And Cloudera is slowly becoming one of the front runners in that business. Its claim to fame is that it hosts all of its big data shit in the cloud, as opposed to on-prem. That means that if a customer wants to get into big data and wants to do big data things and wants to, if a customer wants to figure out how to analyze his own data in order to make the company work as efficiently as possible, it doesn't need to install servers and stuff on premises. It can just use Cloudera stuff. Since I made that video, Cloudera stock price has surged. Right now, I am up 85.73%. Like, that's a lot. And Cloudera has a lot of great things going for it. It's posting a 65% year-over-year revenue growth from 2019 to 2020, and a 30% from 18 to 19. Like, that's a lot. Like, this is a very fast-growing company. I mean, its income statement is doing great for a starting company. Now, full disclosure, it hasn't made a profit yet, but that's because it's spending all of its money acquiring businesses and, spending it on capital and stuff. You can read through the 10K yourself and find that out. Despite the economic downturn of this year, analysts are expecting this company to grow 315% this year, and then 50% next year. And then over the next 5 years, assuming these predictions hold true, that's another 78% per year for the next 5 years. Now, these are just predictions, but if this is half true, this company is poised to do a lot of great things. And it's expected to get to profitability this year. Now, the virus situation may have delayed that, but these are the analysts' estimates for this year as they're getting revised. So far, the analysts are still expecting to profit by the end of fiscal year 2021. And sometime last year, Cloudera and Hortonworks merged. Hortonworks was one of Cloudera's biggest competitors, and now Cloudera acquired them. The only public competitor I know, straight head-on-head competitor I know to Cloudera is Splunk. Now, Splunk does have the bigger market cap, but Cloudera is up and coming. Not only that, but just recently, this month, Cloudera just sparked some interest from a private equity firm that wants to acquire it, which I think is what Cloudera has been hoping for all this time, is to be acquired by a bigger company with bigger capital so that Cloudera can explode its market share. So you may be wondering, through all this, what my problem is. Well, Problem is, I only own 14 shares. Back when I bought Cloudera, it was back when spending $300 on a stock was a huge move for me. This was back in the day. I know a lot of investors say this, looking back on stuff, I should have bought more. Well, I definitely should have bought more than I did. But I didn't know half as much as I know now. Now that I'm bringing in more capital, and I'm making more, and I'm putting more into the portfolio every month, I need to start making bigger moves. That's why I did what I did with Tapestry. I bought 60 shares at once. I can't do this, buy 10 shares at once or whatever and expect to get rich. I need to start making bigger moves. But now that I have that mindset, the stock is up 85.73%. We're getting close to all-time highs. Before the drop-off today, it was approaching $13. Looking over all the news and all the analyst estimates and the financials, I am very positive that the stock price of Cloudera, I'm very optimistic that the stock price is going to go up substantially over the next 3 to 5 years. But, I took great lengths to instill myself the discipline not to FOMO buy. I do not want to FOMO buy, especially not when the stock is close to its all-time highs. I don't want to do that. But I also believe in the company a lot. That's my same deal with Tesla. I really love Tesla. You don't have to convince me that Tesla is a great company. I love it. But I just can't buy it at $1,000. Even if the stock is destined to go higher than that. I just can't do it. I have these rules for a reason. So I don't know what to do. Right now, I have a price target set up in my Fidelity portfolio to let me know if the stock price for Cloudera drops below $9. I don't know if that's ever going to happen. Now, if the market keeps taking a shit as much as it did today, then it might just happen. But I don't know. I don't know what to do. Do I wait and hope it drops to $9? Do I go all in now with the expectation that the stock price is going to rise over the next 3 to 5 years? I don't know. This is a decision I need to think about. My takeaway through all this is that when I go into a stock or when I go into a position, I go in heavy at that time. I need to start doing that with every new position I take. That's one thing I've learned. But anyways, what do you guys think? Should I wait and see if the stock price goes lower? Should I buy now with the optimism that it is going to rise in the future? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Have a great day. Eat your vegetables.